can't see over here. I got this little keychain light. Oh wow, let me make it a little brighter. Yes indeed, it lights up the area. I'm able to see the keys. I got a fully fresh charged one. That is a lot brighter, and let's make it brighter. Oh wow, now I can definitely see. 500 milliamp keychain. It comes with a little hook, and you can attach it to just about anything around. And it has, here's a USB door that has a USB-C charging and an LED indicator that closes. It's water resistant. The button over here, you press it once, it turns on. Press it again, it dims down, and again, a rapid flash. So let's see, if you're on your bicycle, you don't have your light or gives, you could put this on there, and no less. It's a magnet, so put it on a screw, and it'll hold up there. 30 LED COBs, very bright indeed. And I'll give you a nice close-up look and shut the lights off for you. It has a magnet. It's got this little kickstand that opens up to different levels and all. It has a 1/4 20 plastic thread, so you can put it on your camera gear if like. And it's got a little, hiker's clip and a bottle opener. I don't have a bottle to open up to show you, but you can do a lot. Hang it on a hook, put it on something magnet, clip it onto your shirt, a belt, wherever. These are awesome little lights. It takes a number of hours to fully charge, and they do wear down in a number of hours. And that's what this will do, show light. It's very powerful at the beginning. Now, let me go through the settings once again. It turns on to be about 60%. It turns on 100% if you long press the button, and it turns to a little less, and then the flicker and off. I hope these keychains are something you're looking to give somebody a gift to carry around, put in your car, carry by the boat, be on your bicycle, wherever. I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you. That's the flicker. That is the 60+%. And let's just brighten this up to brightness. I think that does a great job, especially at nighttime. Screw it on the mini tripod and light up the area. Use the kickstand to angle it up on any angle you like. And when you need to charge it, there is that red indicator that will change to tell you it's fully charged. These are awesome. Like I said, great to give a gift, have around the area. Have something that you can simply put in your pocket, or maybe go out and about and you need a light and you need to simply hang it on your shirt, and off you go. Enjoy your light